how you can add an address to your Instagram bio. Hey guys, in today's video we will be talking about how you can add an address to your Instagram bio. So right now I am on my Instagram profile page, and here you can see I have my bio there, but I don't have any location or any link down there. So there are two ways to do so. Number one is that you add a link. You can your address link from the Google Maps. You can add it here, add links here. Or moreover, if you want to do it the Instagram way, then you can just have to do this. You have to go to switch to professional account. Yeah, you have to continue. Then you have to select what category you are going to go for. I'm going to select product service right now. Then I'm going to go done. Afterwards I'll say that best of retail, I'll go for a business right now. And then I'll go for PR promotional mail, sign up for it. I'll get the next. And here you can see here it is asking me business address. From here I can type in my address and it will show it on my Instagram account. So yeah, these are two of the ways that you can add your address on Instagram. So I hope this video helped you a lot, and if it did, just subscribe to our channel and just press that bell icon, so you get all the tricks and all the features and all the updates about all the social media accounts, including Instagram, your Snapchat, your TikTok, each and everything. So yeah, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want more of this content, you can hop up to us, and you can comment us what you want. And yeah, that's it for today. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.